This is 110, number 10. This is our video layout for an interior unit of our biggest design here at Meadow Ridge. These units were just finished. They're 2-bedroom, 2 full bath townhouses. New construction, all wood floors. The only carpet in the whole place is on the stairway, which we did to help with noise between units. Big open floor plan on the whole first floor. Has a good sized kitchen, has a breakfast bar. Even did the outlet on the end so you can plug stuff in on the bar if you want. We tried to go a little nicer on the appliances than you typically see in townhouse style units. This has actually got 5 burners on the stove, of course self-cleaning, built-in microwave. Refrigerator, also has an ice maker, which is full, but pretty rare in apartments. We also went nicer on the dishwashers. They've got a stain resistant interior, push button on the top, and then we even did a sprayer in the handle itself. So there's no separate sprayer to get messy, etc. These have got decks on the back of the units. We tried to go big enough so that you could do patio set if you were so inclined, plus a grill. And they've got the privacy dividers in between. All glass door here too makes it nice because it gives more light in the unit. And then these have a full basement, which give a lot of room. This has a washer dryer hookup for the basement, and then you'll notice down there there's a full door walkout to the back, which is kind of nice because it allows you to have access for storage, bringing stuff in without having to go outside the unit. The other thing that's kind of neat is that we have some tenants who have smaller motorcycles, and you can get those through a 36-inch door for storage in the wintertime. Didn't want to get dust on the floors, but this does have, you'll notice, the hookup for cable internet, both walls. So it's right in the walls in these units. This has got a little linen closet here in the hallway. And in the back room, it's a little bit bigger than your normal bedroom. Easily do a queen size bed. Probably do a king. If somebody really wanted it to. Doesn't seem like that's very popular, but also makes a good office. We do have a number of single renters. Right now I think we've got 16 out of the 45 units that are here at Meadow Ridge that are rented to single people. Again, 2 full baths. We try to go a little nicer here too. It's got real ceramic floors. Also has solid granite on the countertops. And then you have a door into the master suite, which again has its own ensuite. So a second full bath with ceramic and granite. And then a big master bedroom, which actually has been designed specifically so king size bed set would fit. This has got a whole wall of closets there, you notice. And the closet space goes that whole length, so it's a big closet. Goes the whole length. We've had some other tenants who have added extra shelving, including a shoe rack or a second hanger, which is perfectly fine. These units are also designed so the heat, water, sewer, lawn, and snow all included. They each have, even though the heat's included, it has 2 heat zones, so you get to control your own heat. Second floor and first floor each have their own. That completes Meadow Ridge interior unit design. And if you have questions, please let us know. It's a wonderful location at the dead end. It's cul-de-sac. And if you're interested, do an app on our website and we'll get right back to you. rentbangor.com.